we have a new partnership. It's Sony. This is the second thing that they've sent me. The first thing FedEx lost. Where is it, FedEx? But this is the second thing. And this is their H9 headphones, INZONE. Let's unbox it. Now, I love me some Sony headphones, like the HM4s, the HM5s. The noise cancellation is just straight out of this world. These also have noise cancellation, and the battery lasts like 32 hours on these. At least that's what the box says. We'll find that out in due time. How does this open? This does have like 360 spatial audio for gaming, which I'm very interested in. So we have USB-C to USB old school, right? We have papers. We do have the 2.4 gigahertz stick so that it can easily connect to the headphones. It is a long boy and it has a switch for PC to console, PlayStation, PC Master Race. And then these are, I thought they were going to be pure white, but they're not. They're like an off-whitish type of color. On the right side, we have the game and chat button right here. Bluetooth as well as the power button. The left has the volume rocker, noise cancellation, ambient mode button, and USB-C. Pretty typical range for the microphone here. It does have this click sound here, so I'm guessing when you get it to a certain point, it should mute. If it doesn't, I'll let you know in another video. The foam material is very soft. Let's put these on. Ooh. Why is it crunching? It's crunching. Okay, it's not crunching anymore. I guess that was just the initial, I'm new, I crunch. Having this on, I do feel like I am wearing Sony headphones with noise cancellation, like the world just kind of tuned out a little bit, and these aren't even on. So it's just that normal seal from their style of headphones. Let's go ahead and turn these on. They're flashing, they're looking for pairing. And I happen to have a PC right here. USB-A, I always stick it in right the first time. Let's turn on the active noise cancellation. Well then, this is a Sony style of noise cancellation. I don't hear a damn thing. Oh, and then the ambient noise, yeah, that's kind of cool. I hear everything. I actually hear the echo in the room too, so this is very clear for the ambient noise. I'm definitely going to be doing the active noise cancellation because I am in my own Zen world right now. So give me some time to really try out these INZONE H9 headphones by Sony, and I'll give you my full thoughts and review after I play Star Citizen for a little while.